Hey everyone, welcome back to Dr. Green Geek's Holistic Living Highlights. Today, we're diving into the world of chia seeds, those tiny powerhouses that are taking the health food world by storm. Stick around to learn about their amazing benefits, how to use them, and what real people are saying about their chia seed experiences. Let's start with the basics. Chia seeds might be small, but they're packed with nutrients. In just 1 ounce, or about 28 grams, you get 138 calories, 4.7 grams of protein, 8.7 grams of fat, 12 grams of carbs, and a whopping 9.8 grams of fiber. But that's not all. They're also rich in calcium, manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and vitamin B3. Plus, they're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly ALA. Now let's talk about what all these nutrients mean for your health. Chia seeds aren't just nutritious. They can potentially boost your health in several ways. They may improve heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol. They could help control blood sugar, which is great for diabetics. They might aid in weight management by making you feel fuller. They can support digestive health. They're great for bone health, and they're packed with antioxidants. Pretty impressive for such a tiny seed, right? Now, you might be wondering, sounds great, but how much do these miracle seeds cost? Well, prices can vary, but generally, a 12-ounce bag costs about $6 to $10. A 32-ounce bag runs $10 to $15, and a 64-ounce bag is around $20 to $30. Here's a budget tip. Buying in bulk can save you some cash. All right, now for the fun part. How to use these seeds. I'll show you 4 easy recipes. First up, basic chia pudding. You'll need 1/4 cup chia seeds, 1 cup milk of your choice, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix it all together, let it sit for 5 minutes, stir again, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Voila! Chia pudding. Next, a chia seed smoothie booster. Blend together 1 cup mixed berries, 1 banana, 1 cup spinach, 1 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon honey. Blend and enjoy. For a quick snack, try these chia seed energy balls in a food processor combined. 1 cup pitted dates, 1/2 cup almonds, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Process, roll into balls, and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Lastly, let's make some chia seed jam. In a saucepan, heat 2 cups berries, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Simmer until thick, then cool. Easy peasy. Now, let's hear what real people are saying about their experiences with chia seeds. Many people report better blood sugar control, improved digestion, and easier weight management. Some even say they have more energy and less inflammation. But remember, everyone's different. Some folks have reported feeling sick when first trying chia seeds, and there might be interactions with certain medications. Always check with your doctor before making big changes to your diet. And there you have it. Chia seeds, tiny but mighty. They're nutritious, versatile, and potentially great for your health. Why not give them a try? Let us know in the comments if you use chia seeds and how you like to eat them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health food tips. And as always, head on over to drgreengeek.com for even more on sustainable living, eco-friendly products, and honest reviews. Until next time, stay healthy.